at Sarmiento. And the race is on. One slow out, number 2, Royal Milestone. Friendly Venture fast to begin, followed by Cool Reception in second. Down on the inside is Love Kuto, and Anupos is running in fourth by about 5 lengths. Cool Reception takes the lead from Friendly Venture. Love Kuto is running by Darrell. Inside the last 800, Cool Reception by a length and a half, followed by Love Kuto in second. Friendly Venture racing on the outside, third. Anupos racing forward by about 3 lengths. And rounding the far tail, Cool Reception, Love Kuto is running by Darrell. Love Kuto takes the lead. Cool Reception is on the outside as they race the last 450. Love Kuto by a length and a half. Cool Reception is on the outside, fighting back as they race the last 200. Love Kuto is running by Darrell. Cool Reception is on the outside. Love Kuto. Cool Reception moves up to take the lead. It's now Cool Reception, the horse of Councilor Paulo Crisostomo. This one is Cool Reception. Love Kuto, Anupos, Friendly Venture, Royal Milestone.